Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to create or remove user accounts on this laptop. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. In Settings, open the Accounts section on the left side of the window, then scroll down to Other Users tab, open it, then click Add Account. And if you want to add in another user using their Microsoft account, you have to enter their email or phone number into the following box and then enter their password, or let them enter their password. Then create a PIN code for them, and once you do that, their account will be created. Alternatively, you can add a user without their Microsoft account, so create a user locally. To do that, select I don't have this person's sign-in information. Here you can also create a Microsoft account for them if you like. Next, to create an account locally, click add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter their username for this PC and create a PIN code for them. And once you create a PIN code, you have to scroll down and add some security questions. Just in case they forget their password, so that they can regain access to their account by answering one of these security questions. Give the answers and then write them down if you'd like not to forget them. Then click Next, and their account will be created. To switch to it, you have to open the Start menu, click on your account, then tap the three-dot icon right here and select their account on the list, or in this Other as Users menu. To remove their account, you have to go back to Accounts, Other Users, then expand this menu and then click Remove. Before you do that, sign out of their account, because only this way you can remove their account. To confirm, select Delete Account and Data, and at this point their account is removed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.